Okay, folks, this is Bob Desmond over at the Contrarian Trader. Our focus stock for this coming week is going to be Scorpio Bulkers, Inc., symbol SALT. It's an NYSE traded stock, and the NYSE, for those who aren't following the indexes very closely, is vastly underperforming the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So my sentiment overall, which I go over on the week ahead commentary, which has gone out to members already this weekend, is quite bearish, and we are looking to add to our short positions. That being said, we always want to keep a toe in the water looking for opportunities to the long side. Now we have SALT, which on this weekly chart, RSI is 11.54 at extreme oversold levels. We saw some bottoming action last week as noted by this wick on the candlestick, and while it would be nice to have the benefit of having historical support showing that there are more buyers below, we don't have that here. So what we need to do is rely upon our daily and intraday charts, not so much on the weekly chart. So this is a classic example of multi-period charting. So we're going to go into our daily chart. Daily chart shows RSI is at 13.97. It was lower. The slow stochastics are at very, very oversold levels and like a coiled spring ready to spike higher. Now, while using the Bollinger Bands, you can see that we've been really hugging the lower band of the declining downtrend channel. Much of this has been institutional distribution, as noted by the volume bars, and some of it's been shorts leaning into the name. But one habit shorts have a tendency of not doing is they don't check the charts. They don't identify that a stock is at extreme oversold levels. They just hope that the trend continues, but what we're looking for is a rally, a short squeeze rally off of these lower bands. Now, while the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, pretty much every index traded lower on Friday, what did SALT do? They closed higher on the day. That's relative outperformance of pretty much every index out there. And it flashed a bottoming tail, somewhat of a topping tail, a little bit of a decision, but I think that we have probably seen a low on SALT at 1.91, $1.91, which marks an 82% decline in the stock. So if you're looking for a bargain, at least for the short term, or an opportunity for an extreme oversold rally on shorts covering, this is our primary target as we move into this coming trading week. Now, as we move down to the 30-minute chart, and again, I'll be going over this chart with members a little bit more detail because we want to identify our catalyst and when we might look to build on a position. And you can see that this overlay here in black is the S&P 500. And now you have SALT, which is outperformed on a 30-minute chart. S&P 500 continues to break down, while SALT is showing relative strength. I'll be going over this chart as well as all of our other potential trades on the focus stock analysis video. The market pulse check for the week ahead has already been sent out. So members, I will catch you on the focus stock analysis video. And if you're not currently a member, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching the video there. If you're watching us on Stock Twitch or Twitter, please follow me. Or if you watch us on the website, please enter your email address. We hate spam too. Have a great trading week, folks. Be well.